This is lecture on overview of foundations. There are two types of foundations. One is shallow and another is deep. If you want to define strictly what is shallow and deep, then D by B is the ratio where D and B are shown in the figure. D is depth and B is breadth. So if D by B is less than 2, then it is shallow foundation. D by B is greater than 2, then it is deep foundation. Of course, definition I made it very simplistic. But by and large, you understand that if the good firm strata is close to the ground, we talk about shallow foundation. If it is deep, let's say more than maybe 5 meter, 6 meter, 10 meter, then we go for deep foundations. Now let's have some examples of shallow foundations. Look at this. Let's say you have masonry or RCC wall. You want to provide a footing. So we give continuous wall footing. Let's say you have single column and you want to give a footing. We give isolated footing. Let's say you have two columns. We give combined footing. Let's say we have two columns but there are property issues. Like you can't exceed the width of the property which is L, then you give what is called strap footing. Another two examples of shallow foundation are, one is strip footing, where you see in a line there are columns, we tie them up and together we provide a strip. And suppose there is a situation where there are columns heavily loaded and the individual footings are coming so large that they are overlapping, then I might as well give what is called raft footing, or might as well give combined slab footing for all the columns. So this was about shallow. When it comes to deep, actually we are talking only of piles. You see. Now you see, you don't give one pile for one column. There are at least 2 piles for one column or 4 piles for one column. Now these are deep foundations. Now our syllabus here only is limited to shallow foundation, and even in shallow foundations, we are restricting our study to these isolated footings. See, they can be either square or rectangle. We are not doing combined footing or strap footing in this syllabus. So that way our scope is very limited, and in next videos I'll be talking about isolated footings. Thank you.